There are so many of these driverless vehicles. This guy. There's nobody in that car. Look. Going up the hill. It's a ghost. Gotta visit this pier over here. It's probably one of the better fishing piers in all of Northern California. Right here. Right behind me. Let's go check it out and see what people are catching on the pier. This pier is pretty much for everybody. Beginners to people that really go fishing. And you can catch stripers here. What else? Maybe halibut occasionally. Salmon, if they're in season. I know this year they had closed the salmon seasons. So a lot of people are going for stripers and halibut, like in the bay especially. All right, let's go check it out. It's one of my favorite places. Here we are. Man, there's a ton of people. This is prime fishing season up here in Pacifica. Look at all these people fishing. There's a guy, this guy, he has some action or something. Let's see what he's got. Somebody's got your line, man. Tell him he's over. That's combat fishing. Cut anchovies. Dang, this is like a fishing mecca over here. Here goes one of the catches, man. That's a nice size striper. Yeah, look at this. That's big fish, man. These, I don't know, I guess 37 inches maybe. It's nice fish. About 12 pounds, 15, somewhere around there. Little kid just tossed it out. Oh yeah, pretty good. Just like that. He knows. He caught a crab. Yeah. But it's not crabbing season though, right?
Not Dungeness.
Yeah.
But he was still hungry.
Yeah.
This is a rock crab though.
Yeah. Yeah. So he got a Dungeness crab, but it's not in season. I think July 14th is the season for Dungeness up here in the Bay Area. So you'll have to check the regulations. So we're almost at the end, and people are actually trying to catch smelt over here. And these are the floats that they're using to catch a smelt. Like they are fishing for them mid-column, or just right below the surface actually. And oh yeah, there's one right there, flopping away out in the background. Yeah, right there. That's what they're going for, and they eat them over here, man. Not quite like the Ulukan smelt that we dip net in the Pacific Northwest, but these are the bigger cousins, the jack smelts. Yeah, there's fish. These are the smelt, huh? Clean him right away, good. Oh, that's like a croaker, like kingfish. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, just fry it, right?
Yeah.
Good. All right, we're almost at the end over here. Kind of a bit windy. Oh, these guys going for smelt. Oh, that's a kingfish. I think there's no size limit on the kingfish. Or croaker fish. Alright. So they opened up this part already. They fixed it. They just this area. Oh, there's some smelt over there too. Look, that's cool. catching them. Oh yeah, that end. It's all kinds of smelt. Oh, right there. Let's walk over here. Smells like a fish market over here. It's a lot of smelt. It's good. Use shrimp. This like Fort Baker style. A long time ago, you get a styrofoam and about maybe a 7-foot leader, put like 6 hooks and then shrimp on it. Then you catch smelt. And you just gotta wait for it to just go bobber down. Pretty cheap way to catch fish. I think they're, oh, there's, I think they're getting hit already. Oh yeah, I'll check it out. There you go. Ooh, they got 4. You got 4 of them. Yeah. That's how to do it. This guy got one. Easy fishing, man. Easy fishing. Oh, that guy has some over there too. He's just got one. Yep. This is smelt fishing in Pacifica Pier. And then we saw that striped bass down there. Yeah. All these guys must be going for striped bass fishing because they're a little closer to shore. There's a whole mess of them. Oh, there's that big old striped bass. There it is again. Beautiful fish. There's set up live anchovies, 3-ounce weight. Oh, it's packed over here. Well, that's Pacifica Pier right here. One of my favorite places to just kind of, you know, figure out what people are fishing. It's close to crabbing season, close to salmon season. So there you're just going basically for perch and smelt and stripers right now because there's no restriction on stripers, and they're running along the coast now, feeding, trying to get fat. A treat today was seeing that whale too. That was pretty cool. All right, let's go get our license. Man, that was pretty fun. There it is, Pacifica Pier. All right, we'll see you. All right, guys, we just left Pacifica Pier. If you want to fish that pier, you don't really need a fishing license, but maybe that's why there's a lot of people on the pier, because I'm sure 50% of those people are just beginners and they don't have a fishing license. But we're going for stripers and halibut in the Bay Area, so today's just a reconnaissance and see you know, what's going around in the surf, and you know, looking for bait, birds, and yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Today's just a reconnaissance day, and that was kind of fun visiting the pier. But we may hit it sometime during this trip. So you'll never know. We might end up, you know, just fishing on this pier just to catch a few smelt, just to get something, you know, to tug on the line. All right. All right, first of all, guys, we gotta figure out how much this fishing license is going to cost us. Might gotta, I was looking online, I was gonna just maybe do a 10-day license or something like that. So we're going to this place. Here's the bait shop. All right, let's go inside. Oh, that's cool. What's that? Hair razors here. Nice. All right, we couldn't get our license over here because they don't sell licenses. So we have to go, he said Big 5. So, okay. Well, I was trying to get my license, but they don't have a license in that bait shop either. But the owner was super nice. He directed me to another bait shop just right across over here, and they might have, you know, what I need. They might sell a fishing license. I don't know about the other place, that other fishing place called Coast something. He was kind of a little bit rude in there, or just short. I don't know. Maybe he's just busy. But yeah, definitely these guys just arrive. You know, they open at 10. It's 11, but you know, it's a little mom and pop store, you know, locally owned. They're opening the doors now, but yeah, they're super nice and direct me to a fishing place that they sell fishing licenses. So let's go over there. It's just a block away. Check it out. All right, guys, got to Big 5. This is where they sell the fishing license. Got a 10-day license. It's gonna start on the 4th, I believe. I think it's what it was I said. So anyways, I'm just gonna target the piers and the jetties where you don't require a fishing license. So that's what we're doing. Oh, beautiful. There's some whales right in the front of us. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Guys down here fishing. There's bait right outside, right here in front of us. That's why the whale is there. See if they'll come up again. Oh, there it is. Oh, damn.